In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT 4 prompts for video scripts. By the end, you'll know exactly which prompt to use for different types of content and how to get clear, polished scripts fast. Let's start with a reliable workhorse for tutorials and explainers. Use Write a 5-minute YouTube explainer script about topic with a hook, key points, and CTA. This prompt tells ChatGPT to open strong, break your topic into digestible sections, and finish with a clear call to action. Replace topic with what you're teaching, and add optional guidance like your target audience or tone. If the first draft runs long, ask for a tighter version or a section-by-section outline first, then expand. For short-form platforms like TikTok and Instagram, go with create a 30-second viral video script about topic with a strong hook and CTA. This focuses on immediate attention, fast pacing, and a single takeaway. Keep it punchy. If you need platform-specific touches, say, use on-screen text moments or include quick-cut cues. After generating, read it out loud to ensure it fits the 30-second window. When you're promoting an offer, try. Write a product promo video script for the product highlighting benefits and a strong CTA. Benefits sell outcomes, so consider adding your audience's main pain point and one standout proof point. If you want different angles, ask for 3 variations: value-driven, urgency-focused, and social proof-centered. Keep the CTA specific. Think, shop now. Start your free trial or book a demo. To build a deeper connection, use create an emotional storytelling video script about topic with a memorable ending. This works for brand stories, founder journeys, and cause-based messages. Add a desired emotion, hopeful, inspiring, or reflective, and one core message you want viewers to remember. Ask ChatGPT to include a clear arc: setup, conflict, turning point, resolution, and takeaway. For discussions and webinars, use generate a podcast or interview script about topic with questions and transitions. This helps structure the flow, from the opening to key segments to the wrap-up. Add your host style, the guest's expertise, and the intended audience level. If you need depth, request follow-up questions, timestamps, or a quick summary for show notes. Here's a pro tip for all 5 prompts. After you paste your request, include audience, tone, platform, and desired length. Then iterate. Ask for punchier hooks, clearer CTAs, or tighter timing as needed. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe for more practical prompts, and let me know which format you're trying next.